This is a large pipe relining job that we did for an apartment block in Bondi. You'll see the processes of the team inversion relining using a robotic cutter and installing junction patches. Our junction patches are made of fiberglass and cured by hot steam. As you can see here, the team are testing the equipment and making sure that the steam is coming through at the correct temperature before we install the junction patch. We are now mixing up epoxy resin and impregnating it into the liner by massaging it through the material. The junction arm is then pushed into the junction patch and it's now ready to insert into the drain. The team will then push it all the way up to the junction, twist it into the correct position, inflate, insert the steam and wait for it to cure. This is now the final result of a relined drain. On the left here, you can see where we've cut out a junction with a robotic cutter, but have not installed a junction patch. Here again is another junction cut. Just here is excess resin from a junction patch that we sanded off at job completion. Here is the first junction patch installed. This will protect the drain from having tree roots grow through the junction cut. They are required when there's tree roots or a crack within 400 millimeters of the junction. There is our second junction patch. There is the third junction patch, or junction liner as some people call them. Coming up is the excavation you saw in the very start of the video where the team was relining from. We are now dropping down into 150 millimeter pipe and continuing all the way down to PVC that was installed a few years back. That's the full completed job. It's safe to say that this strata building will no longer have block drains on their main pipeline. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click the notifications bell to get notified when we post new videos.